Hey there, busy bees. Ever feel like your to-do list is longer than a CVS receipt? Trust me, I've been there. But today, we're hitting the pause button on the chaos. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on a journey to find that elusive treasure we all crave: balance. So grab your mental compass, because we're diving into strategies for stress-free living. But before we get zen, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and let's make overwhelm a thing of the past. Ready? Let's roll. Acknowledging stress. Do you ever feel that subtle tension creeping up? Or maybe it's outright anxiety? These are our body's signals, telling us it's time to pause and listen. Today, we're decoding these signals and uncovering the first step toward achieving a more balanced life. Mindful check-ins. Take a few moments each day to check in with your emotions, notice tension or anxiety, and acknowledge it. Journaling. Keep a stress journal. Write down situations triggering stress and reflect on how your body responds. Impact of busyness. Now let's talk about the real cost of our perpetually busy lifestyles. Beyond the immediate tasks, the toll it takes on our mental health, relationships, and overall well-being is often underestimated. It's time to hit the brakes and reflect on the bigger picture. Reflective pause. Schedule moments in your week for reflection. Consider the impact of your busy schedule on your overall well-being. Prioritization. Identify the most critical tasks and allocate time accordingly. Sometimes less is more. Shifting mindset, but fear not. Shifting our mindset is the game changer. We often glorify busyness, thinking it makes us important or productive. However, true fulfillment comes from a balance between work and personal life. It's time for a mindset shift. Affirmations. Incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine. Remind yourself that balance is essential for true productivity. Value-based goals. Align your goals with your values. Ensure that your pursuits contribute to your overall well-being. Stress management toolbox. To navigate the hustle, we need practical tools in our toolbox. Today, we're exploring effective stress management techniques, from mindfulness to positive visualization and problem reframing. These skills can be transformative in our daily lives. Mindfulness practices. Integrate short mindfulness exercises into your day. Focus on your breath and bring your mind to the present moment. Visualize success. Create a mental image of a stress-free day. Visualization can help reframe your mindset. Empower yourself with boundaries. Setting boundaries is a superpower. We'll discuss how to assertively communicate your limits without the guilt, creating a healthier balance between your work and personal life. Define limits. Clearly define your personal and professional boundaries. What are you comfortable with? Communication. Communicate your boundaries assertively. Practice saying no when necessary. Embrace leisure for well-being. Leisure time isn't unproductive. It's essential for our well-being. We're going to guide you on making the most of your free time, turning it into moments of joy, relaxation, and personal fulfillment. Schedule downtime. Treat leisure time as non-negotiable. Schedule it just like you would any other commitment. Explore hobbies. Rediscover or explore hobbies that bring you joy, whether it's reading, painting, or playing an instrument. Strength in support. Building a supportive network is vital. We'll explore the value of seeking support from friends, family, and colleagues. Open communication about personal time needs within teams can lead to a more balanced work environment. Open communication. Talk openly with your support network about your need for balance. Share your goals and challenges. Team check-ins. If applicable, initiate team discussions about workload and stress. Create a supportive work environment. Master the art of negotiation. Negotiation skills aren't just for the workplace, they apply to life too. Learn how to negotiate for more time, whether it's adjusting work deadlines or creating personal time during the week. Identify priorities. Clearly identify your priorities. What tasks or activities align with your long-term goals? Effective communication. Learn the art of negotiation. Clearly communicate your needs and be open to compromises. Real-life application. Let's make it practical. I'll provide specific examples of how you can integrate these strategies into your daily life. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to lasting improvements. Create a weekly plan. Plan your week ahead, incorporating moments of relaxation and leisure. Reflection. Time. Set aside time each week to reflect on your progress, celebrate small victories, and adjust your strategies if needed. Journey to balance. As we wrap up, keep in mind the long-term perspective. Life balance is an ongoing journey, and every small step counts. Together, let's build a life that is fulfilling, joyful, and free from unnecessary stress. Long-term goals. Define your long-term balance goals. Where do you see yourself in terms of balance a year from now? Celebrate progress. Celebrate your progress along the way. Acknowledge the positive changes you've made. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found these strategies helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, take care and find that balance in your busy world. Bye for now.